Guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the third of 3 or 4 blind bags. Let's check it out. It's this one, a giant pomni head. I'm going to cut it open. Let's go. Time to cut to the curve.
Oh my gosh. Are you gonna wear this color with your cake pomni?
Sorry, Pomni. Oh, look, it's a squishy Zooble. I love this toy. I guess I'm going to play with it all the time. Time to put it with the other toys. Zooble, Gangles, Jax, Kinger, Ragata, and Pomni. See you later. Tomorrow, I'm going to be unboxing this Huggy Wuggy blind bag. Let's find it out. It says with accessories. Cool. Whatever. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.